Translated, it means not everybody gives the maximum to perform during the training to be good enough.
Whose fault is that? Whose fault? Whose fault? Players or the coach?
Well, that you have to know, is it down to the character of the players, or is it down to the whole atmosphere inside the training ground, or the...
Arsene Wenger, the former football player of the Arsenal Football Club and the former head coach of the Arsenal Football Club. This is just a part of the family of the Arsenal Football Club. Here gives his analysis of the Premier League matches, of course, especially in the title racing, as here he used to say that Arsene Wenger said that Arsenal Football Club has an opportunity to lift the Premier League this season, and if only they will just win their all matches, if all Arsenal Football Club will just win their all, of course, their all games, means we have the great opportunity and a great chance to see them lifting the Premier League this season. Here there is also Marcel, of course, one among of the important player, and the one who did so many things in football. He also gives his precise details about the precise analysis of the Premier League title contending this season, as he also used to say that it will be very difficult, and despite it is possible in football, but he is just not looking Manchester City dropping points currently. Of course, he used to say that Manchester City is just in a good form, and they have been performing very well. Maybe as the one who can just stop them from achieving points, or maybe the Arsenal Chelsea Football Club. And if Manchester City will just drop points against the Arsenal Football Club, means Arsenal will have an opportunity to win the Premier League. Arsenal Football Club will have the opportunity to win the Premier League, but the only thing that they need so far, though, this time Arsenal is to see their opponent